Hey guys, welcome back to YarnTailCrochetCo. My name is Cynthia and this is Vlogmas week 2. Alright, so for today we finished, well, for right now it is December 12th. We have finished our 12th granny square. So what I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to assemble all of my granny squares for my first panel of my pillow together today. That way it's done. And then tomorrow we start fresh with a whole new set of granny squares, and then on the 24th I will finish that panel and we will put our pillow together, and on Christmas morning I will have a brand new adorable granny square pillow, and I'm very, very excited because I have wanted one of these for forever. So I'm very happy that I'm finally gonna get one for Christmas. So to be completely honest, I have been trying to figure out how I want to join these granny squares together. I've seen people sewing them together. I've seen people just crocheting them together. I still have not quite decided how I want to put my granny squares together. But for right now, I'm working on putting the black borders on them all. And this is where I need to decide what I want to do. Because if I'm going to crochet them together, then I'm not putting the black borders on them all individually. I have to like do them one at a time and then join them at the same time. So I don't know if I want to do that, which I feel like it's more work because, or I mean, at least more thinking. And honestly, right now, I don't feel like thinking. Thinking is not my friend right now. So I might just work on the borders. And they look so good once you add the black border. Like, look at it. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this pillow. All right, so I finished the first one. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it with the black. I am so excited that I decided to go with the black instead of white. White would have just been not me. So very excited. This one looks so good. I think I'm gonna like every single color combination once I add the black. Because right now there's a few of them where I'm like, you know, you're all right. But I think once I add the black, I'm gonna love them all, and they're all gonna look so cute. And I'm gonna shut up now and I'm gonna go do the borders on all my granny squares. Finish the bottom row. Like I said, I'm loving all these colors now. They look absolutely incredible with the black. So I am very excited. I can't wait to see what days 13 to 24 roll for me. But yeah, loving this so much so far. Okay guys, I finally finished putting all of the borders on my granny squares. I'm obsessed. This looks so good. Honestly, I never would have made this if it weren't like a one a day challenge. Because I feel like this is a lot of work for one day. But putting them all together and seeing them now, like I cannot wait to finish the second panel and then getting a pillow to put inside and then like coming up with like some cute little border. But I love it. I love this. Looks so good. So while we're on the topic of granny squares, I have been working on like a poinsettia style daisy square. It's not really a poinsettia, but it's the colors of the poinsettia. And I'm making my mom a bag for Christmas. So I think it's looking really cute so far. I just have them, they're all the same. They're all the same kind of square. But I have to make 13 of them. And then I can crochet all them together, add a strap to it. I don't know if I want to make it like a shoulder bag or if I want to make like a handheld bag. I'm still deciding. But it's probably going to be something she can throw over her shoulder because it's easier to carry that way. And so yeah, I'm just working on these and blocking them before I stitch them all together. Also, I don't know if you saw Vlogmas week 1, but I did mention the 12 days of crochet stitches that I will be doing, and today is day 1. So if you head on over to my shorts feed, you'll be able to see day 1, which is my X stitch. I do this stitch on all of my beanies. I just think it adds a cute little detail, breaks up a half double crochet a little bit, and it just looks really nice. So I'm show you guys how to do that one. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to show you guys how to do a puff stitch, because that is another stitch that I really like using, especially in scarves. I just think it looks really cute. And then you can also use the puff stitch when you're making amigurumis to make like limbs. If you're making the little little tiny creatures. You can make little arms and legs using the puff stitch. So I'm going to be showing you that one tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure what I want to do for day 3. It may be the popcorn stitch. It's very similar to the puff stitch, except you're actually like half finishing stitches and then stitching all the way across. So it does give it a different look, and it is, again, something you can use for like little amigurumi figures. So that's probably what I'm going to do for day 3. I know I want to show you guys a shell stitch and a waffle stitch and a herringbone stitch. There's a whole bunch of stitches that are really cool that I just want to share for the 12 days of crochet and give you guys some new stitches to start off the new year. Also, it is December, Christmas is coming, and I decided that I was going to treat myself with a little Christmas present, and I bought something that I have always wanted to get, but I swear every single time I look them up, they are ridiculously expensive for what they are. But I found one for like $25, so I had to jump on that deal. I was really excited. But now that I've been making a whole bunch of granny squares, I decided to get myself a blocking board. And this one's small. It's only, I think, 9.5 inches. But it's so cute, and I'm so happy with it. I've tried making my own, but the pegs never stay straight. They always kind of bunch in, and it doesn't do its job properly. So I got myself this cute little granny square blocking board. I will share the link down below so that if you guys need one, you know where to get it. It comes with like this cute little stand, and it just sits. Super cute, right? It came with a whole bunch of pegs in like this really cute glass vial bottle thing, which is totally my vibe. I love that. And then it also came with a whole bunch of, where's my bear? Came with a whole bunch of needles too, little yarn needles. And you know, you can never have, like, look at this poor bear. It has just been stabbed beyond belief. But yeah, you can never have enough needles. I lose mine all the time, so it's nice to be able to just come to the bear and replenish when needed. I do think I'm going to be making maybe a new pincushion for the new year. I haven't decided what I want to do yet because I really do love my little bear. He's so cute. But I just feel so bad poking him full of needles. So I don't know if I want to make like a cactus or something of that nature. But like I said, I just feel bad stabbing that poor little bear. He's so cute. He doesn't deserve it. But he also has little stitch marker earrings, which are super cute. So, but yeah. Also, if you guys watched Vlogmas week 1, you guys saw that I started on a Mickey Mouse scarf for a coworker of mine. So I just want to show you the update on how it's looking so far. I ran out of black, so unfortunately I had to stop. But it's so cute. It's looking very German right now. But I mean, that's going to change. I'm going to add another few rows of black and then red and then yellow again. And then I'm going to add a white, either a white Mickey Mouse or just some white dots on the red. I haven't quite decided yet, but right now it's looking a little too German for my liking. And it's not looking very Mickey Mouse. So I need to add something to make it a little bit more Mickey, but it's looking super cute. I have been kind of changing up the rows as I go. So I have like working in the front loops, doing my X stitch, doing some puff stitches. I'm just including all of my favorite stitches in this scarf, and it is turning out super cute. But I ran out of black, so I had to stop. So I got some more black, so now we can continue, hopefully finish this scarf before either the day's out or the week's out. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. Look like a Christmas tree. Hi guys, it is the next day. I started off the day with a really bad headache and a lot of sinus pressure from my sinusitis, whatever I'm currently going through. So I didn't really do all that much today, but I did cast on a knitting project. I have not knit in I don't even remember when. And then when I did knit before, it was awful and I didn't know what I was doing. And I didn't know how to cast on properly. It was a mess. That's why I stopped. So I have relearned how to knit, and I did a 1x1 rib knit from Passionate Kelsey. You can find her on YouTube. I will link her. And I'm decided to make a beanie for my dad for Christmas. He is a hunter, so I went with like that bright orange and green. I think he'll like it. I mean, when I was younger, I did make him one that was like a camo on top with like the brightest orange brim, and he wore it all the time. So I'm gonna make him this hat, and I think so far so good. Like, I'm pretty proud of myself. I had no idea how to purl at first. I did it entirely wrong, but I figured it out. So this has been basically all I've been working on all day, and it has literally taken all day. Knitting takes forever. This is why I am a crocheter. But that's all I have for you today. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, it is officially the end of week 1 for Vlogmas. I am starting to get into week 2, but I just wanted to wrap it all up and show you guys everything that I did end up finishing. So I did end up finishing my dad's beanie. I'm obsessed with this. This is super cute. I even have my own little tags now, so I put a tag on there. But this is the warmest thing I have ever made in my life. Like, I love it so much so. And I know I said I hate knitting and it takes forever, but I'm making another one. This one's going to be for my husband. But these are so warm. These are fantastic. So like I said, I'm going to link the video from Passionate Kelsey so that you guys can make a chunky beanie because you need one in your life. Or, you know, just order one from her. Maybe me. We'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna sell them, but order one. Secondly, our Mickey Mouse scarf is coming along. So I finished the black. I'm on to the red. We're gonna do some yellow, finish it up, and I've decided that I'm gonna do little white Mickey Mouses along the black part in the middle, and it's looking awesome. So I can't wait to finish that one up. I jumped ahead a little bit, sorry guys, and I finished the rest of my squares for the 24 days of Granny Squares because I know I'm going to be going back to work soon and I really want to finish up some Christmas projects that I'm currently working on. So I went ahead and I finished those, but I scheduled them so you're not going to see them until the day's up. Sorry. Another thing that I worked on, I started a pair of mittens. I was following a pattern from Yarnspirations and I don't know, I messed up somewhere. It's wrong. It's not horrible, but it's wrong. So I looked back, I figured out what I want to change and how I'm going to change it. So I'm going to change the pattern a little bit and, you know, make it a little bit more form-fitting in the wrists. I'm going to make the thumb a little bit longer, this a little bit taller. I don't know what happened here. I apparently missed some stitches. So we're going to do that again. And then last but not least, I have all these squares done for my mom's bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares are done. I need 13. So that's what, 4? I need 4 more of these and then I can start putting together my mom's bag. Everything is going well. Oh, and last thing, I did not mention this before. I got these skeins of yarn or balls of yarn from the dollar store. They look like this. I really like the color variegation from the white to the black. And I was curious to know how much of a hexagon cardigan one ball would make. So I bought 2 so that way I could have one half and then the other half. And I mean, so far, I have this much left of the ball, and this is how much that it has made of a hexagon cardie, which actually isn't too bad. Like, I think this will probably end up being a sweater for my daughter because look at that. I love that. That looks super awesome. And they had pink and they had blue, but I liked the black version and I was kind of hoping it would be big enough to fit me, but who am I kidding? So yeah, I'm going to finish that one up. That's going to be a gift for my daughter because she loves my handmade sweaters. And I'm going to wrap it up from here because I want to go crochet. I want to finish eating lunch. I just wanted to wrap up this video so that I could post it. And I will see you guys in Vlogmas week 2. This is Vlogmas week 2. Week 3. Okay, Stitchlings, that's the end of the video. If you made it to the end of the video, make sure you smash that like button. If you are not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you are notified of all my future videos. I do try my best to post at least once a week right now. I'm hoping in the new year I can maybe get 2 a week, but we're gonna start slow. I hope you guys all have an amazing week. Be safe. Have a great Christmas. Have a great all festivities leading up to Christmas. Whatever you guys celebrate, I hope it's awesome. And I will see you guys in the next one.